Hey friends, welcome to Spinning Know How. I am Sarita, and today from my review diary I am talking about the video chatting, conferencing or meeting applications helpful for personal or official use. Keep watching the video till the end to get a proper review of the application. So let's spin the knowledge. So here first one is Google Duo. It's a simple video calling application that allows up to 12 people to join the conference. It works across both iOS and Android platform. You need to have Google account to use this application. At number 2, it is Zoom application. It works for Android, iOS, PC, Mac. It offers basic free plan that hosts up to 100 participants and it is free up to 40 minutes. But it has some drawback of security. At number 3, it is Skype application. It is a product of Microsoft and it is also compatible with many platforms. It has many subscription plans for call, but otherwise it is free to use and it can handle up to 50 people. And at number 4, it's Google Hangout Meet. It is free for everyone until July 1st, 2020 and it can cater 25 participants per video call. At number 5, it is Cisco WebEx. Recently Cisco has make it free for everyone and it is free for 25 people. If any one person has WebEx calling account, then 100 can join, and if anyone has the WebEx host account, then 200 people can join. And at number 6, it is GoToMeeting application. It has a restriction of 40 minutes and 3 people can use the free account. And you can upgrade for more also. Apart from these applications, few more are there like BlueJeans, Zapper, Join.me, FaceTime, but maybe these are chargeable. So hope you like these application, and my favorite application out of these is Google Duo, and it is good for the family meetings or family chatting and conferencing. Till now I was using Zoom, but because of some security restrictions and that government has also advised not to use it, so I stopped using Zoom. But you can go through all this application and check out which one is good for you. Hope you like this video. If you really liked it, please share with your friends and subscribe my channel too. Thank you.